Hi everyone, this is Alexa. Welcome to my channel. I'm really happy you're here. I want to share something about cleaning glass panels. I know for many people it's just part of the interior, but for some reason I really like them. Maybe because you can instantly see when something's not perfectly clean. I love when the glass shines, when you come closer and don't see any streaks or fingerprints. Just a smooth, crystal clear surface. It's like a mirror, but softer. I usually use a simple microfiber cloth and a no-scent spray. I prefer when nothing distracts me. No strong smell, no foam, just water, glass, and my hands. I start from the top and go all the way down slowly, then the corners. They're always the trickiest. I care about the details, not just the obvious spots. Sometimes you think it's clean, but then light hits it differently. And there it is again. I hate that. And yeah, some people think I spend too much time on this, but I don't mind. Honestly, I enjoy it. It's like a little ritual, a way to relax, or to focus. One movement, one result. So if you have glass panels at home, don't ignore them. They deserve attention. And trust me, when you look through perfectly clean glass, your mood changes. It feels lighter, clearer, like the air got fresher too. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a little comment, and follow me for more. See you in the next video. It's gonna be even more fun. Bye bye from Alexa.